My name is Ryan Morse. I work in the light assembly department for MFT here at RG Group. Well, I was working back for Morse Fluid Technology, New Jersey, when we were acquired by the RG Group. They offered me the opportunity to come move out to York, out here in Pennsylvania, to continue my work in assembly process of the medical technologies. What RG Group has done is help me learn more about the medical field, about the things I assemble, and that helped me learn more about other fields such as hydraulics, and to help me improve what I know for myself for possible future growth. What I've learned so far is I have learned more and more about the medical field of what things that I personally have been assembling over at Morse Fluid Technologies. I have also being certified to work in our hose department to help expand more on the workers here and to just help around where I can. The people I work with, what I like about them is that there's a very diverse community here, all sorts of different people from all sorts of backgrounds. Some people have worked in armed enforcement, some people have worked in past military, some people have done simpler, more modest things, but I learned a whole bunch from these people from what I've worked with. How we impact globally is with the medical equipment I assemble. I help give people the chances to survive, which other cases they won't. For example, I create tubing that goes into heart catheters that people obviously need in order to help them survive. What I like about my job is the simplicity almost of it, to help me stay focused on the small tasks of simply cleaning, gluing things together, just to help me keep a peace of mind, but still knowing that what I'm doing is valued and important.